Hi guys, this is Dr. P. Let's continue our lesson about vector. We start with a warm-up. Are the vector equals? So you see here two vectors. We learn that a vector has two basic key features, magnitude and direction. So if you look carefully, magnitude, the length of the segment should be equal and direction, it seems to be the same direction. These lines looks like parallel. So the answer is yes, the vectors are equal. But let's go now to our skills and I want to see how do we calculate the magnitude of the vector. Let's suppose that we have a vector. Usually a vector is given by two coordinates. These coordinates represent the head of the vector, the coordinate of the head of the vector, and the tail of any vector is supposed to be the origin. So let's try to represent this vector. Let's borrow a line from here. We will start from origin until the head of the vector, that is the point 3 and 4. So 3 horizontally and 4 vertically. So here should be the head of the vector. So starting from origin until the head. So this is our vector u. Let's try to make here like an arrow to suggest that this is a vector. It's a bit better like this. And now let's try to calculate the magnitude of the vector. So the magnitude is the length of the vector. Let's say, by example, let's use an x here for this length of the vector and let's try to calculate it. Of course, how do you calculate a segment in geometry? You go in a triangle, by example, preferably a right angle triangle, exactly this triangle, and you have the legs. One leg is 3 and the other leg is 4. So let's try to uh, draw this line to see better the leg. So this leg is 3. I hope that you can see better. So this is 3. And the other leg, the vertical one, is 4. And now let's write Pythagorean Theorem because we have a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse x squared will be equal with the sum of the squares of the legs, like 3 squared plus 4 squared. Let's do the math. So x squared equals 9 plus 16. X squared is like 25. To find x, you remember that you apply the square root. So x is 5. So the magnitude of our vector is 5. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I wish you further a very happy day. Thank you for watching this lesson.